Hey, Carrie.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Awesome. Yeah, so I don't know like who's coming, who's not.
Yeah, I know. It's sometimes I think maybe we should like do cell phones or something to try to. There, she's here.
Yeah, so Sarah, and then
Hey, you guys. Sorry.
Hi.
you're totally fine. How you doing?
Good, we made it. I couldn't
I
get.
know.
Are you guys having problems with Google or no?
Not really.
Okay, I couldn't even use my Google Chrome. I had to close that out and go on Internet Explorer.
Really. I was
So,
having problems earlier today, like with the BYU website.
right. I got to try to pull everything else up now because now everything I had to close everything out.
Yeah, let me just pull up what we did.
Okay. Let me.
Yeah, I don't want to, I think we kind of know what we're supposed to do now, so it's a lot easier if we just do it. You know, like how on
Yeah.
Tuesday it's kind of like, what do we do?
Right.
Yeah.
But okay, so I'm just pulling up everything. And then I don't know if what's her name? Is that Melissa? Is she the one that lives in
Melissa.
East Coast?
She's East Coast, yeah. So hopefully she makes it.
Yeah, so I'm not sure what she's gonna do.
Yeah, I didn't. Did
And
she
then
reply to the emails about it?
she just said it was hard for her to meet late.
Yeah, she says it's like almost 10 o'clock my time. Can we switch it? And
I
then
think we need. I mean, she can do what she wants, but I think time zones should be considered when we pick groups because
Right.
a 3 hour difference. I mean that's impossible to work out. Sometimes.
Yeah.
yeah, and then did the teacher just pick the groups? Is that how she did it?
Yeah.
No, we just
We picked the
randomly put
time
our name
and we
down.
got grouped, didn't we? No, we bit this. Sorry, I have so many classes I'm doing it with. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Me too.
So are we good on Tuesdays at 4? We might as well solidify that. Tuesdays at 4.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And
4
then,
Pacific time, right?
sorry. Yeah, 5 Pacific time, or 4 Pacific time, 5 Mountain time. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Are you guys Mountain time?
I am.
I'm Arizona time, which right now I think is
Carrie.
Pacific.
Yeah.
Okay. And then in a little bit you'll go Mountain time, right?
We'll go Mountain time. What is it? Whatever. Whenever it
Next
falls
month.
back.
Yeah.
Isn't it right around conference time?
It's
Yeah,
falls
sometime
I
in
think it's like
October.
November 2nd this year. Yeah.
Oh, November.
Yeah, it's late, right after
Is
Halloween.
yours?
Okay, so we'll do 4 on Tuesdays like we did the other day, or 5 Pacific for you, Jared. And then
Yeah.
Thursdays, we said, I have to look at your email.
5:30 Mountain Time.
5:30. Yeah. No, 5:30
Pacific.
Pacific time.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Okay. 4 p.m. I'm writing my times just so I don't forget. And then 5:30. And I will literally like just be zooming home, busting in. So is there one of us that always is going to do the invite?
I don't mind doing that. I can do that. I can be the one to do that.
That would be great because on Thursdays I'll just be racing in.
Yeah,
And
and
it was 5:30 Pacific time, right, on Thursday?
Yes,
Yeah.
so it'll be 6:30 Mountain time.
Okay, cool.
Awesome. Okay. Let's,
Awesome. So, should we just
Well,
get started?
Yeah.
And then I say, this is just my thought. What do you guys say we just do the group meeting, like just press start and start doing that?
That sounds good.
Does that sound like a plan? Because, I mean, we could go through the worksheet, but I figure if, I don't know, it's just kind of like, we'll do it, but then, I don't know. I don't think we should do the worksheet
It's
and then
repetitive.
group meeting.
Yeah.
That's just my
So-
thought.
You're talking about, okay, so we have,
you're talking about
Right.
part 1 versus part 2?
yeah.
Yeah, like we did, because on our own we do part 1, and
Yeah.
part 2 we do as a group, and then we do the group meeting quiz thing. And so I think
Right.
we should just do the group meeting quiz thing.
Okay. I'm pulling up all
Does
my
that make
stuff.
sense?
Sorry.
Oh, you say just go straight to the quiz. Don't do part 2 of the worksheet.
Yeah, but I don't know. Is that wrong? Should we just do part 2, not part 1?
Well, I did have a question. I mean, how in the world are we going to make a histogram together?
I know.
Oh yeah.
You know, or so maybe we should just have that stuff done, and then if we have questions, you know, that we need to throw off each other, we could do that, you know.
Yeah.
So are we just going straight to the group collaboration then?
Because I'm looking at the quiz right now, and it's not like. It's just pretty much like round to the nearest dollar, and like pretty much doing stuff from the
worksheets.
The worksheets before. So I mean, I figure if we have the answer sheet up, the key sheet from
Yeah.
the first one, then I think we should go into the quiz. But that's my thought. I don't know what you guys are thinking.
That's fine, because he said it should be only 20 minutes. So, are you talking about our second homework group thing?
Yeah, like, yeah, in week 1, lesson 3, group meeting.
With the blocks, box plots and stuff like that?
Yeah, and then we just click where it says the group meeting, and you just press start, and you work together as a group.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that's my thought.
Okay, so after your group has clarified their understanding of part 2, so I think we just need to clarify our understanding, it said. And then after that, we just go to...
Yep, because it looks like it says if you discuss if there are any questions that you have from the worksheet. So do you guys have any questions from the worksheet or from any of the stuff from this week that we can talk about to help clarify?
For me, not so much. I mean, like working with the mean and median and stuff like that, I've done before, so it was like kind of understandable. But the graphs were a little bit confusing. But other than that, I was able to understand it.
Yeah.
I did have one question. Did you guys? Why we're just using this SRSS? We're not using Excel, or we are sometimes using Excel. Do you know about that?
I think sometimes we're using Excel, sometimes the SRSS.
Okay, so we do need to figure out how. I've been practicing a lot on the SRSS, but I haven't practiced at all on the Excel yet. So there was it looks like all the things they've been asking us to do, they've been really emphasizing that program. So
yeah, and I've never used it before, so that's what I have to get used to as well. I've used Excel a ton, but not SS whatever.
Yep. All right, so should we all open the quiz then?
Yeah. Let me jump to that.
I'm gonna move rooms so you're gonna get a little tour of my house as we walk.
I'm pulling up our paperwork as we speak, so that's good. We'll. Yeah, sorry, I had to switch browsers, so it's all closed out. Here we go, and the last one. And mystery investment. Okay.
Oh yeah, we need to have that mystery investment pulled up, right? I think I.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Open this window needs to know what program. Sure. Oh my God, I don't know. Let's see. Oh. Okay, that might not open on my browser.
Okay. Yeah, since I've been doing this math class, I'm learning how to like have 5 windows open at one time.
Right.
I know, it's so confusing.
Yeah, it is. Okay, let me see if I can pull up that as well. Mystery investment. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay.
I wonder if it'll pull up under Excel for me. Let me see.
Is it saying we have to use the SRSS?
Mine opened under the SRSS, but.
Okay, let me see if it'll. Oops, no, mine's using Excel now. All of a sudden. Darn, because I changed browsers.
Sorry, give me a sec.
Yeah, me too. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out how to switch the browser.
Oh, it says for the quiz we're going to use the wrong site, wrong patient data to answer some of the questions.
Yeah, so use a different one then.
That's different than the actual worksheet. So that's
Yeah,
the one we need to pull up. Wrong site, wrong patient. Okay. I didn't realize that. Okay, I will get that there. That one pulled up.
Oh, we need the wrong site, wrong patient one?
Yeah, not the investment one.
Oh, okay.
I think the investment one is just for the
Just for
worksheet.
the
but
homework?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now, when we answer the questions on this little worksheet that we fill out, are we submitting that?
No, the worksheet I've come to realize is like for us and then
Just
for our
to study.
group.
Stuff, yeah.
So.
Okay.
Okay, so group meeting. Sorry, I have like 50 things open here now.
Yeah, all right, and then I'm clicking start.
Yep.
Okay, so, here it is. Wrong site, wrong patient. Okay, here we go.
So mine isn't able to pull up, so we'll just use yours both. Is that okay? Your guys's?
Uh-huh.
I'm hoping. Okay, that's the data page, correct, with our zip files?
Yeah, because mine's only pulling up the Excel.
I know,
Okay.
and
I've got mine up.
with the junk food and the factory. Okay, I think I got the right one. I'm trying to remember. Okay.
Yeah, wrong site, wrong patient.
Oh, like the wrong site went wrong patient.
Okay, well, let's get going, and if I can't get it, I might
Okay,
have
so
a whole night.
Okay.
No, that's it. Okay. And then it just wants me to click on the files, correct? That one?
I'm not
files,
sure.
and then you click the one that says wrong patient.
Here we go.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Or wrong.
Here it is. Yep.
The wrong one. Okay. So number 1 and 2, you guys can both answer.
Okay.
So number 3, it says, use the following information to answer
downloading,
questions
sorry.
3 and 4. So on rare occasions. Okay, cool.
Sorry,
are you on the
it'll-
quiz, Sarah?
I'm going into it. Sorry, I'm waiting for that to download. Again, I'm sorry because I had to do that browser.
You're good.
And I have to go pick up my son by 7:30.
You're good.
So I'm getting in that quiz right now. Okay. Okay.
We'll go quick.
Okay, go ahead.
So, okay, number 3. So, rare occasions, a medical procedure is performed on the wrong body, part of a patient's body, or not the right patient, or the wrong patient. These are called wrong site and wrong patient mistakes. Such errors occur hundreds of times each year across the United States. The medical community is trying to eliminate these errors, but have had difficulty reducing their frequency. In a small percentage of these cases, a patient files a lawsuit against the hospital. Philip Settle conducted a study on these mistakes, and the lawsuits that follow. The data in the file, wrong site, wrong patient, represents the amount in U.S. dollars hospitals have been required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits. Some of the values equal 0, indicating that the hospital won the legal battle. So find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. So do you guys remember how to find the mean?
Yep.
Yeah, the mean is just all of them is the average, right?
Yeah, so we just have to put it in and let's see here. Go to Analyze. Go to Descriptive Statistics.
Mm-hmm.
And is it
There we go.
Oh wait. Descriptive.
See, mine's opening in Excel.
Now,
Did yours open in Excel,
there's two
Jared?
different files. If it says .save, that opens it up automatically in the SRSS. If it says something else, it'll open it up in Excel.
Mine's
Yeah.
the .xlt.
So you need to download the correct one.
Okay.
But
I'm not gonna. Yeah.
You have it up.
alrighty, so we need the mean. So
Sorry.
I clicked from Analyze. Wait, which one do we need it? Which one do we need? Wrong patient or wrong site?
The wrong site lawsuit.
Wrong sites. Okay.
You're required to pay in wrong site and wrong patient lawsuits.
Yep.
Oh, wait, sorry. Find the mean amount hospital had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Okay, wrong site. Got it. Alrighty.
And it says,
So the mean I got was 80,041.21.
let me see what I got. Yeah, so $80,041 and how many cents?
I got, no, I got
the nearest $2.
80,041.21. 24.
Okay, so 24. Okay, so we just do the nearest dollar.
Oh, to the nearest dollar. Okay, so just
Do we round up?
80,000. Yeah. round to the nearest-
80,041.
Yeah. So $80,041.
Yeah.
Dang.
Okay, so we need to push, I guess, do we have to do a dollar sign? Nope. Okay, it doesn't let us.
No dollar.
Okay.
Now, find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits.
All right,
That's
it came up on the same graph, so did yours as well?
Let me double check.
Mine says 71,403.82. So,
Yeah, same one.
all right, so $71,404. 71,404.
404.
And I'm
then-
sorry, I'm fiddling with mine because now mine's opening everything in Excel. I don't know what I hit.
No, you're okay. Yeah, if you just keep
that happened to
scrolling
me
down-
once today, and I think if you
If I close it,
close it all out, turn those all off. I mean, just close it, and then go back to the link, and
'Cause
make
I
sure
feel-
you're clicking on one that says not the Excel version, but the .save version.
okay.
Yeah, if you keep scrolling down on that one page that shows all of them, if you keep scrolling down, it'll take you to the .sav
Yeah, I found
one.
the .save and it still opened it. Oh, shoot. I almost left our quiz. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just going to fiddle with it later. I'm like, sorry.
So
All
you're
right.
fine. Okay, so number 5, hepatic whatever is a rare and usually fatal disease type of liver cancer. A study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. The data represent their survival rates in months. So 5, 19, 1, 3. Use this information to answer 5 and 6. What is the mean survival time?
Months, so let me get mine.
Okay, so we just have to do this ourselves then. Add them up and divide them by divide by 4.
Yeah, by 4.
Super easy.
28. Or wait.
Yeah, 28 divided by 4, so 4 months.
Yep. 7.
7. 7
Oh.
months.
Yeah.
Yeah, so divided by 4, 7, so 4, okay.
Oh,
Standard deviation, that's the one that I got kind of confused on. What's that mean again?
That means that the numbers are kind of all over the place. There's a 1, there's a 19, a 5, and a 3. So standard deviation is sort of the measuring the average, of the numbers that are away from the middle.
Gotcha. So like the not 8, 9, 10, 11, all those ones?
So what we have to do in order to do it, they had us practice actually doing it by hand. I'm guessing that's what he wants us to do here because.
Yeah, because it says round to the nearest
So
10.
all you have to do is make a little line graph, and you chart the 4 numbers on the line graph. Also charting the mean of 7, and then you do a little subtraction. Remember that chart we had to make that?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So what we would do is, I'm guessing this is what we're supposed to do because there's not really another. I guess we could do it on the program. Do you want to do it on the program? Maybe we are supposed to do it on the program.
Numbers.
Yeah, because I think it did say from now on, everything's supposed to be used in SRSS unless it's mentioned otherwise.
Yeah. Let me
Okay.
pull up my-
So then go to your SRSS and do new, like new.
Yeah.
If I can get mine to work.
And
Let
then,
me see here.
did you get yours to pull up?
Sorry, I'm closing out and reopening mine, but I
Yeah, mine-
just want to make sure I don't close out my browser
And mine's
And-
froze.
quiz. I know this is. Sorry, I will figure out how to work a computer. Apparently, I.
Oh, I'm way worse than the average too. I don't know.
I'm like, oh, this is horrible. Okay, I clicked Excel, and ever since then it's pulling it all up in Excel, but maybe it's just because it's on, I'm not used to using this browser.
So what I did is I opened up SPSS, and maybe you can just, even if you can't, I know you're kind of cramped for time, so we could just maybe go through it. So I pulled that up, and I put in, under data view, I put in 5, 19, 1, and 3.
Okay,
And I went to variable view and I added the word months, but who cares at this point?
Yeah.
And then I'll go to the top of it and I'll click analyze and descriptive statistics and descriptives. I will add months to the variables. Click options. And I click the box standard deviation.
yeah,
Okay.
Are we all following this? Are we together?
I understand it, yeah. Oh, it's still opening it in Excel. This is driving me nuts.
Oh, that would be making me crazy. So did you get a number already, Jared?
Mine was froze, so I had to reset it, but I was able to write down what you were saying, so I can actually go through it after as well.
Redo it.
So to the nearest tenth, I have, well, it's 8.16, so then it would be it was 8.16, but so it'll be 8.2 months.
Yeah. Oh, you guys, I don't like this at all.
Yeah, it's the technology stuff that is so frustrating.
That's what's killing me is now I don't know how to get it back to.
If I were you,
SPSS.
yeah, I was gonna say, turn everything off except for the phone, the Google conversation. But
I can't. It'll turn off our quiz.
yeah,
Quiz.
it'll turn your quiz off. So never mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So number 7. For questions 7 through 9, give the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuits. Lawsuit costs. So number 7, what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit?
Wrong
Given,
patient.
Yeah, wrong patient lawsuit
Okay.
data.
So,
Give a number round to the nearest cent.
All right, so I pulled back up the wrong site, wrong patient dot save or whatever on SRSS, and I'm clicking the top tab that says Analyze, scrolling down to Descriptive Statistics again and going to Descriptives.
I'm going to try opening my other browser while we do that. I hate not being able to do this while we're...
This is wrong patient this time, right?
Right.
Yeah, wrong patient.
So I am clicking on wrong patient and the little arrow to move it to the variable box. And I'm clicking options.
Don't open stuff, honey.
And we need minimum, maximum. And we need the range or the percent? Oh, percentages, I think.
The first number in the 5-number summary.
Oh, just the first number?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the minimum. So, okay, I will click minimum and see what it says. All right, wrong patient.
Yep, lawsuit
Minimum
data.
is, oh, duh, I should have known that.
0, right?
It's 0.
Yeah.
And then the second number.
The second number would be the
So this is number 8.
25th percentile.
So 7 is 0?
Yeah,
Yes.
7, 0, and then 8, but it says give a number, round to the nearest cent.
I know. So now I have to go back and look up the first quartile or the 25th percentile. So let me change.
Okay.
It's got to show us now the percentages need to be shown so that we know.
That's good.
Oh, yeah, where they're at.
Okay. Oh. Let's see. If I can remember how to do. Frequencies.
And I wonder if we're going to be doing these like every week. Clearly, we're going to have to be using the SPSS.
Yeah, SRSS all the time.
Yeah, so I'm going to have to figure out why it's pulling up in Excel.
Okay, so what I did this time was I went to Analyze. So in order to do the percentages, you go to Analyze, Descriptive
Yeah.
Statistics, and then again, Descriptives. And, hold on. Did I do that right? Hold on. I just found it. Now I was trying to go back to tell you guys what I did. Frequency. Okay. Analyze, then descriptive statistics, then frequencies. To do this, we need frequencies. And then I put wrong patient into the variable, and I clicked the tab statistics, and I click percentile. And so we need to have 25 added to that. We need to have 50 added, and we need to have 75 in order to do the quartiles or whatever. I can't even pronounce that, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. And so for wrong patient, the next number in the 5-number summary would be the first quartile, 25%, which is 3,900.
And then it says for number
That's right
9.
into the nearest cent.
Yeah, so 39.
Okay, .00.
Okay.
39.00.
Yeah.
And then in number 9, it says what is the 4th number?
Okay, that's the third quartile. That would be 75%.
Yeah.
And I have down 50,436.50. 50,436 and 50 cents.
Yeah.
Red box is increasing the proper way to rip movies.
All right. Are we all good to move on to the next one? Are you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. So it says Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the U.S. Individuals can go to Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers derived the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at a Redbox. Based on the following box plot answers, questions 10 through 12. Okay. So there's the graph. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times? Give number in seconds.
All right, so
Third quartile.
I need to pull up my.
I'm going to have to pull up the
That's what I was saying. I have to pull up the homework.
page on this one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm
Yeah,
going
you
to
can
take
pull
me
it
just
up.
a second. Where is that?
I think it's under the homework. Yes?
Yeah. Or no, it's under the.
It's just under the
Individual
textbook,
preparation.
the online textbook. Yeah, the individual preparation.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, no, I was trying. Oh, I'm navigating away. No. Stay on page. Hold on.
I know, I almost did that twice. I was like, ah!
Stay on the current page. Okay, I've got to open up another window, too.
Okay, let's open this up. Individual prep. Here we go.
I have so many tabs open. I don't know where I even am here. Okay.
I know.
Here we
And
go.
I'm still upset because every time I click this, it opens it in Excel. No.
Yes, so that lovely box thing.
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah. No.
taking me a second because I had to open up a new browser.
Where did mine go?
Yeah, mine's gonna take a second too.
Opened up to the same.
Alrighty. The very last part of the whole lesson. Pretty much. Okay. So, in that box plot,
So we need
draw a
the
vertical line against each of the quartiles. Okay. So those are the quartiles. Those lines are the quartiles. So let's figure out what those quartiles are really quick.
Let me go back to that. I need to find which browser I have open now. Okay, here we go.
I mean, how do you tell? It's not like an exact number.
I know,
That's what I'm looking.
like-
Well, it's on. I know.
I mean,
It's like 110 is the middle. The
Right.
middle vertical.
I mean, are we really supposed to just guess? Maybe we're not doing this right. Hold on. The third quartile would be that top
Yeah, that
line.
top
Hold on.
line.
Let me just verify that again. Hold on.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, wouldn't it be that like the third line, like the stop
Would that be
is
like
bottom?
190, 185.
That I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm guessing like 180 or 190.
I know. I don't know. Like, how would they? That's what
Yeah.
I would think.
So,
180.
I guess we just try our best. Maybe 180. It's
Yeah,
between,
yeah.
I mean, as an estimate, I don't know. That's kind of
Yeah.
weird. But maybe I'm missing something. I don't know.
Yeah.
What is the longest
It says-
observed time?
The longest
longest
observed time is like 7:10
Giving number in seconds.
or 7:25, way up there.
Yeah.
I'm guessing that's a 710. I'm going by
Yeah,
10.
10.
1 second, almost done.
And then last one says, based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
Okay.
The value. But it can't
So
be
they're going
determined,
by
right?
fives. Like, do you see this? 105, 62. Oh, wait. Well,
Because the mean would be
should
the
I click
average.
this cannot be determined?
Seriously.
If
okay,
was better,
so-
we could determine it. But since the graph
Oh,
is
wait.
4,
So on the box plot, you are doing just the minimum, maximum. You're doing the 4 numbers, right? You're doing the minimum,
Right.
maximum, and the 3 quartiles or whatever.
Yeah.
And
so would it be
with
5 or would it be 4?
it,
What?
Sorry. Don't you do minimum, maximum in each of the numbers?
you do, yeah, you do the 5-number summary, which is what
sorry,
the
yeah.
box plot
Yeah.
illustrates, is the minimum, the first, second, third quartile, and then the maximum. Those are the 5 plotted points.
Okay, sorry. I thought you said 4. I was confused.
The second quartile represents the median. I just read that. So the median
Okay.
is the second quartile. So let's find what the
Which is
second line
Like
is.
Well, this is,
105?
is that mean, right? Not
Yeah,
median.
that's
Oh, we're trying to
105.
find we're trying to find the mean or the median right now.
Yeah,
The mean. So it would be 105, wouldn't it?
Oh wait, mean is a number, right? Mean is just a number that it's right in the middle of
Yeah.
those. So you're
Oh,
right.
yeah, so 105.
105. Okay, thank you. I thought that we were looking for
Sorry,
median the
no.
whole time. Oh, and it's a multiple choice. I didn't even see that. Sheesh.
Yeah.
Oh, so now they just told us that it's 105. Does that help us? What did we say? 110?
Well, that's why I was worried. Oh, yeah, above. Did we say? No, we didn't say 110 up above, though, huh?
No, but the one we did say was 180. Maybe that's right. I don't know. Whatever.
Yeah, I don't know how they can mark
Well, it
you
makes me
down
nervous
on
because below it says 187.
Yeah, right. I mean, they're just making that okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I think 187 is the top one.
I know. Should we say 187?
Oh,
Oh, for
okay.
the third quartile?
Yes.
For question 10, you mean?
Yeah,
Yes.
we might need to. Yeah.
I know. That. Okay, I don't know. Like, is that just to kind of throw us off?
I know that's kind of scary.
We're
now.
all gonna get it wrong. I know it. No, just kidding. But that would
Yeah.
make sense why they had 187.
And
But
then,
it's weird. Like, I feel like this is weird that we're supposed to be estimating these numbers.
I know that's
It
weird.
must be the bottom one, where I would have said 70 or something.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Okay. Well. I'm
Whatever.
basically-
All right, 105. I'll change that number 10 to 187. Just
I did. Yeah.
All right, I press submit. Let's see what happens.
if we go down, we all go down. Let's do it at the same time.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
Let's see.
Yes.
Mine's
5.
I
I
got-
got wrong.
Oh.
Good. 5 I got wrong.
dang
Oh,
it.
and it can't be determined.
Oh, lame.
Oh.
Because we can't tell the numbers.
Because
guess.
I guess because you know what? The mean, it has to be the actual numbers, not the quartiles.
Oh.
You have to use actual numbers for the mean, not just the
Okay.
percentages. Duh,
Alright.
that was tricky. Sorry,
Alright.
guys. Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. I'm like, it'd be 105. It's a no-brainer. Oh.
Yeah, and we missed 2. Dang it. Okay, why did we miss that one?
Yeah.
Median survival time. That's what I put it in on the computer.
I'll have to look at it when I get my. I'm gonna restart my whole computer and hopefully get everything out of Excel.
Because
But I do have to go get my son.
yeah, no, that's okay.
Do we need anything else?
I think that's it. Do you like? I don't know if it's in charge because you don't really do much, but
I'm sorry.
no, because you know how like you sort of like group mediator or whatever.
Uh-huh.
You want to do that next time?
Do I want to?
Yeah.
Sure. So I'll do the mediator next time, and then are you going to start us off though, Carrie? Will you always, for all of our groups,
Sure.
send us the Google Hangout?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I guess I'll just be the next one, and then we'll just keep rotating through.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Thanks
All right,
so much.
awesome.
So Jared, were you the mediator on this one?
Yeah, and it's not really you can't. It's hard to mediate. You just talk, and it's.
I know. So are
like
you going to
different
post this, or should we have like one person always post it, or how do we want to do that?
If it's going to be on yours, right?
Yeah, I might as well start it, and then I might as well post it. So.
Oh, that's
Okay.
right, because you started them, yeah. So if you want to post it for our group, that would be
Yep.
super great.
All right, awesome.
Thanks, you guys. You're awesome. And then I will see you guys Tuesday at 4.
Sounds
All
good.
right, perfect. We'll see you.
All right, thanks. Good
Bye.
luck. Bye.